If you're looking for an exceptionally blue flower that blooms in the fall, in combination with an amazing silvery foliage, look no further than Caryopteris or Bluebeard. This plant thrives in full sun up to part shade, although you will get a lot more flowers the more sun it gets. The happiest spot that you can plant a Bluebeard is an area that is not susceptible to any standing water. This plant does like a well-drained soil and is extremely drought tolerant once established.
Caryopteris is an amazing woody perennial that has this beautiful silvery foliage coming out in about April and then producing these beautiful blue blooms coming in about August into September. The other great thing about this plant is it's highly deer resistant. Though Caryopteris can handle part sun, if you give it full sun, it gets these beautiful blooms just like this for about 2 months. And in addition to that, it attracts a plethora of different pollinators, including bumblebees, carpenter bees, honeybees, skippers, hummingbirds, moths, and so many more.
Not only is Bluebeard a beautiful end-of-season bloom, it's also incredibly fragrant, with the leaves having a really nice minty herbal smell to them whenever you rub up against them. Because of this, it actually works really well as a natural mosquito repellent. You just rub the leaves all over your skin before you go into the garden and you'll be set. Young leaves are also edible, although they do have that really strong minty herbal taste, so it's probably best to just chop a little bit up to add some flavor to a salad, but don't overpower it.
Bluebeard is a drought-tolerant and heat-resistant perennial, which makes it a wonderful option for putting in a container. And they add great fall interest as their leaves turn to a buttery yellow color. Around that same time, they'll start producing seeds, which are a wonderful food source for birds going into winter.
The Caryopteris surrounding me, as you can see, is a pollinator magnet. Also known as Bluebeard, they can fill numerous niches in your garden, with sizes ranging from 2 feet up to about 6 feet, depending on the variety.
So if these bursts of blue are just your hue, maybe Caryopteris is the shrub for you. Thanks again for joining us on yet another one of our deep dives. And if you like what you're seeing, make sure you like this video, leave us a comment down below, and let us know which plant you'd like to see next, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of this amazing content that we're making for you. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.